Nana Kwame Bediako. Wow, onyansani no. Nyansafo ne hu se we ye nyansani. UK Parliament afre no. Na omo frɛ no nya frɛ keke o. Omema talk because omo say ni pillars 12 pillars no a game changer even in the world. Enya Ghana, wo say me catch am say that we no yen it should be a national manifesto, not a party manifesto. Ya papa Kufuado oko UN oko kasaye. They be oko say help us. Who is going to help you? And we see your way. One more who be more. And I said, your destiny is in your own hands. Obronia Tsasia who said, "Ye run and Kwame Bediako new force. Agreeing the pillars no the buy no a great. Well, who says our pillars we cry the or no cry Sabi honest Africa, we are unique people with unique identity. Yet to me and developing based on the white man's word, laws and what constitution. It will never happen. Send your China, I started here to develop based on Chinese law. No? And then China wire world superpower. And here back when Brony Stropan said, black man united. It's most of you see a leaders to what divide us. We need to have what we call change of identity and change of mind. That change of mind should come from me and you. It should come from a point say, yeah, catcher will say, no matter who you are, regardless of your status and position, you are what? We are equal before the law. It should work. How does it work? It means that the president need to have what we call an oversight. What's an oversight? Say president here born here one eka. Ghana because say John Mahama kasa say me ba bema. Na John Mahama who him say there is something wrong with the constitution. Say oba be ba bemu pen na wetimi sabe etimi FAC the president. There is something wrong. America time na your friend Bush was on ne ba ye che no. It want me to America now me say do you know me? But yeah constitution the way you designing it no. Obi etimi ye your pet. Say oni nipa eno ano no. It obi akwese political party achi NDC be gina achi MPP be gina achi. At the end of the day who suffers Ghana? It's corruption now here can it has to start from our homes. The way I even your chips dancing. Don't call on me as if I be corrupt practices. We need to cut it. When you know Bronina who say no, this man is intelligent. Because we got the 12 plan agendas, which is the pillar. Sabi Odiba Babu Ghana na. Minim say one name in Baba to Abana mana ya to mana. Ghana besisa. Next is a great. What is pillar? Pillar is the foundation of everything that we do. Hello, hi, Xposed GHFM members. Subscribe, you to pay now on Saka. Any JSMB Ashamakuma Mumma, send your jump to Phonica, say Niji Ashamakuma Mumma, ya cast a yenina, yoko, Yamifi, na manage. When the Yanwa Nana Kwame Bediako. Wow, on Yansanino Nyansafone who say we Yansani. UK Parliament a friend. No more friend and your frekeko. Omema talk. Because Omo say ni pillars 12 pillars no a game changer even in the world. Enya Ghana, wo say me catch am say that we no yen it should be a national manifesto, not a party manifesto. Now Pacho Meka say I am honored to speak at the UK Parliament on the topic close to my heart. Africa's economic pillars to freedom. It is time we stop being spectators in the global economy and start being the architects of our own world destiny. Let's unite and build a new Africa for Africans. Aye, very significant. Yeah, Papa Kufuado oko UN oko kasaye. They be oko say help us. Who is going to help you? And we see your way. One more who be more. And I said, your destiny is in your own hands. Obronia Tsasia who said, "Ye run and Kwame Bediako new force. Agreeing the pillars no the buy no a great. Well, who says our pillars we cry the or no cry far? Sabi honest bedi. Mamika wasem Ghana. Your democracy ni ya fat two where ya fat the American and the British, the best of them, and they are boom. And I jania sabi so ye munua yet me corrupt no. Aye, and America no. China as no me developing no. Omo formulating own concepts. Africa, we are unique people with unique identity. Yet me and developing based on the white man's word, laws and what constitution. It will never happen. Send your China, I started here to develop based on Chinese law, no, and then China wire world superpower. And here back when Brony Stropan said, black man united. It's most of you see a leaders to what divide us. Kwame Bediako and Omo who say our great mind. It's Omo you sue on one call for to what to disown him and to kill him. And that's what is happening. And then me take guy be me name yes so NDC communicator or can be. I said that 12 ministers is not possible. I'm saying, you see, you are shallow minded, you are not intelligent. Because we are intelligent, you can see, say America, a whole continent, almost 40 ministers, yes, even 37, and then so be chairman, 37. Now Ghana, kete. Now yet me for 100 and something ministers, we are mad people, we don't think. And it's no be about say bold initiative, me for 12. You may be a friend the key sectors of the economy. What mean you now for who we are, because every department we are gonna be our chief executives, deputy for CEOs. What is their work? It is yes, talking up with and for boys for their jobs, sir. It makes when very difficult. I send back also a video back on person here. Not about corruption. I say corruption. I get embedded in our DNA. Say a soft for quite bribe.
Yes, we are corrupt. Up to the point that even some pastors who are preaching the word of God is corrupt. So corrupt is a disease in the country. So it's not only the government that is corrupt. Even we as society, we are also corrupt, and we need to accept it before we can change ourselves. We need to accept our mentality that we are part of it to be able to change ourselves.
You see, corruption, and you know near the casa. Over Ghana, you have all the laws which can stop corruption, but we can't stop it. Why can't we stop it? Two things. Number one, Yama obi to me, which is the presidency, to me or the ultimate power. Yeah, number two, yeah, governance, say, who send America by I say 1 man rule. Or no, can be an SC. Enti ya was a culture be say unim way. Enti obi ebony no afro bi or say you know the person. Yes, talk to the person. That is bogus economy. We say that. We need to have what we call change of identity and change of mind. That change of mind should come from me and you. It should come from a point say, your catcher will say, no matter who you are, regardless of your status and position, you are what? We are equal before the law. It should work. How does it work? It means the president need to have what we call an oversight. What's an oversight? Say president yeboni and 1 acre. Obi ntimi ka Ghana because say John Mahama kasa say me ba bema. Now John Mahama who nim say there is something wrong with the constitution. Say oba be ba bemu pen na wetimi sabe etimi FAC the president. That means there is something wrong. America time na your friend Bush was on ne ba ye che no. When Bush was in power, Joe Biden now he was being investigated. Trump, while he was sitting, they were investigating. It means that the law works. It does not regard anybody. It wants to make America now, Mr. said, you know me, but yeah, constitution, the way you're designing it, obey to me and your pay, or it's only nipa and one. It's Obiako political party, NDC Benji actually, MPP Benji actually. At the end of the day, who suffers Ghana? It's corruption now, it has to start from our homes. The way I had even your chief stancy, call me as if I be corrupt practices. We need to cut it. When you know Bronina who says no, this man is intelligent because we have the 12 plan agendas, which is the pillar. Sabi Odiba Babu Ghana na minimum one name in Baba to Abanamana Yatomana Ghana Bessa. Next is a great. What is pillar? Pillar is the foundation of everything that we do. Say pillar nenya and then the baby 12 pillars no we say a very stronger a bit me withstand bibia enyan kwasi asema yesi covid nti Ghana bre enyan kwasi asema yesi Russia Ukraine want here bre. It means that the foundation is weak. We don't even have foundation. It's pillars no the abano obroni enye bie we hu bi na wo so awe me wo hu bia na me wia me ye osan ko ye share friends bonwere baby a ye kente no so mun so oto okwa no se ma me nya bi no start so ye bi be so okwa video ni ba ye ba be ka ho asem ayo yesia back no. What's it?
spending policies are in the PNA. A friend of 12 pillars. Out of the 12 pillars, the number one policy is 16 regional industrial revolution. Region here, what Ghana dialogue. You make omu farming, omu gold, omu cocoa, omu bibia, they are processing, they are factories manufacturing, not a juma aba a growing. Why we go one over two, and you're running as over two. So why would you not?
As I say, expanded our business. Now you can manufacture more cake. I'm a guessing who say, yes, we are test now. The best. As I say, improving the standards of weaving. As I say, taking it to industrial and commercial level. The more my industrialization, you can call your name on my way. 12 pillars nearby. You will say 12 ministers and they are 4. You call your ballot, now you're number 12. Political parties cry. Omuma do na sika so omunye protest near the adeno yentwe ehun film say o pese o protest here and now demonstrate here, use your term. That is very powerful. It can change everything.
Yeah, Mami Kebi leader are participating in what the people are doing, you know, or a great leader. Yes. Sometimes, you know, nipa ne ya de no so easy. The one mo ye no, ma won so kwata ho say eye den. It will be oba bema, he will better appreciate what people are doing. Now say me name the trials that you go through. Say be a constitution, no, just a ninyan say sebe MPs bar every 4 years be a mom cars. They don't even know how to even feel to be in what trot. They don't even feel how to be in the heat. They are enjoying. It will catch up say Ghana for promises a lie. Oko you can catch them say MPs omotena your first bass in trot room. It shows say you are with the people. Say ya say na ye kosa na ye want to say oh ye be say ye be bob on mine no. It will me waka no. Waka ne mabebre. Now I want you to make a date. One date na one. That is when Nana Kwame Bediako Chada is going to what? He's going to what? Present his manifesto to the UK Parliament. And this is the first time the UK president has invited. We're inviting a black man, a Ghanaian for that matter, to come and deliver a speech on what he or say what can be done. Betray ye muye. Betray ye munye hu ni eti awochere. It was someone who tie na niekofo say it can't, no. Me I know it can be done. Who are okay say enya possible? Me I say it is possible. Brody no who say possible it no so womra no. But who black man Jimmy enti who say possible. Any Jimmy abo say possible. Because when Jimmy ya na wadwen e sharp say na me dey abo say it is possible. 12 ne kra edoso. Me an ka mefa 10. Me an mefa 10 me say because ministers omo say that here sa. A policy direction. Once the president has a policy direction, it's good to go. It's what me say December 7, 1 2 abano. Now kwaya me ya igbeni, metwa ma NEC. Me ya santini metwa ma MPP. And now say me dey ya wo me tumu a. Usu jimie de, me kakura na me ntimi nka. On the 7th, 2 new force. Nana Kwame Bediako number 12. Otua nyame be hirawo. One to dia amanie owuo yare kwankwanda enuna beyo because more Ghana che NEC MPP it's time. Let the youth change their minds. Ye change dia ene media masesa me catch them meto ama new force. I expose yourself from respect. O subscribe here the two pe no nya bia hwe manuasi.